mics up, man. About to be a vlog for y'all today, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah. You can feel that John coming like 5 feet back right in your face.
Yeah.
That bitch is nuts, bro.
Time to ride, boys. $7.70. Time to have fun.
All the niggas, let's keep it real. That's why I hate all you niggas. Slide through, shoot that bitch up, then dip off like I'm on a time limit. I be on your side, that's how I'm just know I'm keeping my eye on you.
Yeah, we here, man.
Sir.
Have this
About to whip this bitch.
Oh, you want this stand?
It'll probably be too bulky. You think?
I mean, I'm not gonna be driving fast with you on there. I'm gonna drive slow through there. When we find a spot we can get some content, I'm gonna just drop you off. I'm gonna spin back around, just do whatever I'm gonna do, pick you up again, and just keep on going along the trail.
All right, bet.
Turn around, go back, and then I'm gonna come through here, just boom, flying.
All right, bet. That look good. Yeah, 100%. It's just I don't know how sturdy it is.
No, it's pretty sturdy. Okay. Alright, so hold on. I want you to push the back. I'm about to lift this front up.
All right.
Yep, turn her over this way. Not too hard because you're going to hit the wood. Back tires are good to go. There you go. Woo! Anything for the content, man.
Facts, bro.
Oh shit. I didn't think it was stuck there. The only incident I ever had out here was with them old people. See, like everybody else is just looking, just going about their day.
Right.
Cause it's not like I'm just ripping up through the trails.
Right.
I'm in this nice open area that nobody even walks.
Right. I should have brought one of them mics to go on your shirt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, if they had a freaking thing, a GoPro thing, you can hook it up to my.
I believe they do, bro. I know we have a GoPro, but I don't think we have
I don't
like
know if they got the
thing to go on the head.
yeah, the thing to attach to the head.
They got something to go on the chest.
Oh yeah, we could have still did that.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
These are like before music. This was like my first love. I wanted to be a professional motocross rider.
Oh really, bro?
Yeah, I love riding bikes, bro. Like if I could, bro, I would do this shit all day.
Yeah, bro, when I get one, bro, definitely
yeah.
ride with you, man. Probably more leaning towards a 450.
Yeah.
4x4.
Been working on it, man. I've been doing some. What time is it? Oh, 3:23.
Nice, not bad.
Ain't that crazy? Like, I just decided to look at my phone right now.
333.
And it's 333. Like, that's crazy.
That's
bro.
that means something when you look at your phone and it has like the same three
Yeah.
numbers.
It's the angel numbers. My
Yeah.
angel's talking to me.
Yeah, bro. I watched that shit a couple days ago, bro. That shit
Yeah,
is
that shit's
crazy.
bro.
I've
'Cause
been
it's
looking
like,
at the clock
right when
recently.
you just decide to look right, you just see numbers. You see the same numbers. It's like it's just not a coincidence if it happens multiple times every day. Like
Yeah,
that
bro.
happens to me every single day, multiple times a day, like clockwork for different perspectives.
But like
of
some
life.
people when they like go through a spiritual awakening, what happens to them is they're so overloaded by I forget what it's called, but sensory overload. Like
Yeah.
they realize so much shit at once, and dude, I was that. Like, dude, I was
Yeah.
so overwhelmed, bro.
Fuck yeah, bro. Let's fucking go.
Smoke.
Oh yeah. We got the state boy. We're waiting right by the truck. So we had to wait about we had to go about a mile out at the end of the trails. It's roughly a mile. Not that much, but
Might be 2 state boys.
damn, really?
I think so.
Damn. That's wild.
I'm gonna act like I'm a pedestrian. Yellow stripe. I said, yup. Turned around. It's like, fuck that.
I bet they heard you though.
Yeah, they definitely heard me. I'm surprised they ain't come after us. That's why I kept on looking back when we was driving back. I'm surprised
Yeah.
they ain't even hear us. Focus. Some climate clear that wind. That wasn't a long walk at all.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
I started sprinting all the way up to the stop sign. I was like, fuck that, I got this U-turn.
Yeah. Bro. Those cops. There was 2 of them, male and a female. And that motherfucker came this way too, bro. That's crazy.
I'm surprised you didn't see, man. That's why. That's how I know cops be texting and driving, bro. There's no way you missed 2 dudes fucking loading
He
up.
probably didn't give a fuck, to be honest.
Honestly, I only ever had 1 cop that actually stopped me on that 4-wheeler. That's because I was actually on the highway hitting that bitch, bro. Who would've thought we would've been vlogging today, bro?
Right?
We gotta pull when we get to Ethan's studio. We gotta pull that shit up on the computer.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, of
Edit
course.
that bitch real quick.
Yeah, bro.